I have here today is I'm going to be putting a outlet in here, and we're going to have to unlock the siding here. This is vinyl siding, and we'll go ahead and unlock that. You'll need this little siding removal tool. It is nothing more than a little hook that will go underneath the siding here, grab the edge of it, and then pull it across there. And then I'll show you how to cut a piece of siding because I'm going to put another outlet here. Okay, it's best to do this on a warm day, otherwise your siding may end up getting cracked if it's too cold. And we'll just go ahead, we'll pull these nails out of here. Now we can take this panel and just pull it straight down there. Okay, I put a level on here and I drew a plumb line where I want my center of my little box here to go. And what I'm going to do is just have it so it's just under here, so when the siding comes down it'll frame that out real well, and I won't have to do anything to this bottom piece of siding. I'll just have to cut out on the top there. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is go and place my box in here, and I'm going to put a nail in the center of the slot, and I'm going to just very loosely nail it on there. You don't want to nail these tight. You want to be able to move from side to side and up and down a little bit, and when it expands and contracts with the weather. Threw a level on there. It's level. It's kind of hard to see. All my coloring has faded away in here. I'm going to take my bottom piece of siding here and then hook it in the bottom there of the starter strip, and then I'm going to loosely nail that on there. And when you hang siding, you want to start in the middle and then keep pulling up as you go across. So you want to pull up on the siding and then put another nail in there. And we'll simply just take a piece of scrap siding here. We'll put it up there and we'll mark on the bottom where we want our cut, and then on our top as well. That'll determine where it'll go in our box there. And we'll lock our piece of siding here in on the J channel and in the corner piece. And then mark here where we need to go on our vertical. Okay, we'll take and make our marks here. Now I'm going to simply just line my scrap up here, make those marks. Okay, it's a rather warm day today. If it's not, your siding will be very brittle. So I'm going to just go ahead and cut it with a utility knife here, since it's in the center of the siding. Otherwise, what I would do was on the edge, I would take aviation snips and then cut it up there. And then we would just score the edge here, bend it back, and it would break off, and I'll show you how to do that. Now I'm just going to score this here. And I'll take and bend that, and it'll snap right off. Now what we'll do is slip this in here. Lock it in on the bottom. We'll go ahead and put our nails in there. Then we'll take that unlocking tool and then pull down on here and then lock that piece of siding on there. Okay, we'll take this siding tool, pull that siding down, and work your hand across the top there, pushing on it. Oh, it's all locked in.